I'll just be back. You have to see. 1 minute. Screen is visible. You're able to see? Yeah. So tell me the 35th problem. Okay, listen to this. So there's actually a physics problem, but they have given speed and all those things also. No? So it's based on motion in one dimension. So there are 2 points A and B, which are separated by 9 kilometer, 90, 90 kilometer. In the same direction. At the same time, did they say anything about direction? They gave same direction. That is also important. Yes. Y kilometer per hour. Okay. So what is they asking? Listen to this carefully. Let's say they are meeting at point C. Mark it as important. It's a very good question. So let's say they are meeting at point C. You tell me whose speed is supposed to be more according to the scenario. A should have been faster, right? Only then it can meet. So let's say this distance traveled is some D. From B to C, let's say the distance is D, small d. Okay. So small d is what? Distance between B and C. Okay. Now, what is the distance covered by A in time t? So I'm saying, let's say they both are meeting at point C at time t. Okay. So what would have been the distance covered by A in time t? 90 plus d. So distance is equal to speed into time. X into t. Can you move slightly this? No. You move this. Now is it visible? It's blocking you. Okay. Okay. You're okay, right? So 90 plus d is equal to x into t. So that is equation number 1. What is the distance covered by B? Distance covered by the car which started at B. It is d. So d is equal to y into t. Why did I use this? Because distance is equal to speed into time. So when d is yt, take this and substitute it here. Right? Did they say what time they are meeting? They are meeting after 9 hours? No. So what we can do is T is 9. Here also T is 9. At time T, the T is equal to 9 hours. Okay. So I'll take this D and substitute it here. When I do that, 90 plus 9y is equal to 9x. 90 plus 9y is equal to 9x. So 9x minus 9y is equal to 90. What is common? 9, which implies x minus y is equal to 10. Is there an option like this? Or x minus y minus 10 is equal to 0? That's the answer. Option. Okay. I hope it is clear. Please make a note of it. Okay. This is better. Because white means we'll have reflection from everywhere. This is fine. So this is 35th problem, right? MTG, what is the page number? Shall I proceed? Okay. So 36, what is the question? So what is the name of, what is the equation? Now what are the equations? So what is this point? 0, 4. This one is? Okay. They have given different equations. 1, 1, 6 will not be here. It will be in the first quadrant. 1, 6. Okay. So what are they asking now? Which equation represents this line? You have no other option. You have to substitute and check. See, there is a way to find it, but that concept is not a part of your syllabus. You already found it. So which one satisfies? You can substitute any one of the points. That should satisfy. 37. Two comma. It's simple. How did you find? 2 by a plus y 1 by b is equal to 1 and 1 by a plus 0 by b is equal to 1. Right? So 1 by a is equal to 1 means a is equal to 1. If a is equal to 1, substitute it here, then 2 by a plus 1 by b is equal to 1, which implies 1 by b is equal to minus 2. So b will be minus half. So a is 1, b is minus half. Minus 1, sorry. Yeah. So it is minus 1. So you don't substitute and do it. You have to solve it in the stepwise manner. Okay. Only then your logic will become better. How did? See, 1 by a because I substituted this point here. So in the place of x, I substituted 1. In the place of y, I substituted 0. So 1 by a plus 0 is equal to 1, which implies 1 by a is 1. Now take the reciprocal, a will be 1. Got it? Yeah. Sorry? Yeah. So you want to take reciprocal before itself. Huh? 1 by a is 1. Cross multiply. A will go there, 1 will come here. I mean, 1 will come to the denominator. You just take reciprocal, that's it. Why to complicate? Right. So this is 37th. Shall I proceed? Yeah. So 38. Y is equal to minus 9 is a line parallel to x-axis. Below the origin is right because it is minus 9. So it is parallel to x-axis at a distance of 9 units. Okay. Next. Two a minus y. 2a minus 3 is 5. 1 minute. 2a minus 5 is 5. 2a minus 3 is 5 means 2a is equal to 8, which implies a is equal to 4. No, what are they asking actually? I didn't get it. 3b plus 1 is equal to 2. 3b plus 1 is 2, which implies 3b is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1 by 3. What are they asking? Okay, then if that is the case, see, actually I found the value of a and b separately. Like how we told, you can actually subtract both. See, 3b plus 1 is 2. 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. They're asking 3b plus 2a, right? 3b minus 2a means subtract both the equations. So when you subtract both the equations, I want you all to note this point, that the sign of the second equation, the sign of the terms of the second equation will take a change. Means plus 2a will become minus 2a, minus 3 will become plus 3, and 5 will become minus 5. Why is that so? Because 3b plus 1 minus 2 plus 2a minus 3 minus 5. Sorry, not plus, minus, no. So when I take a minus here, what will happen to this minus? This minus will get multiplied with every term that is there inside, no. So what will happen? The sign will start changing. That is why I change the sign everywhere. Did you understand why I put this minus in the bracket? Right? Now what will happen? 3b minus 2a, 1 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 minus 5, which is minus 3. So 3b minus 2a will be equal to minus 7. Is there an option? Minus 7. Suppose you didn't get this idea. What you can do is find a separately, b separately, then you can do 3b minus 2a. This is an alternate way. Then when you do 3b minus 2a, 3 into 1 by 3 minus 2 into a is how much? So 1 minus 8, which is minus 7. You can do it like this also. It will give you the same answer. You should get it. So remember one thing, math does not depend on how you solve. For that variable, you will get only one value, however you solve. Methods are different, that's it. Those are all different techniques. So is it clear till this step? Can we do 40th now? Okay, shall we proceed? Your name also, I'll check. Your name also has come as absent, but I'll check that. So 40th. OABC is a square. Coordinates of B is 4, 4. Now you can do it, no? See, O generally it takes origin. You take A here, B is here, and C is here. So this is 4, 4. Then this will be 4, 0. This will be 0, 4. So what does it represent? It represents x is equal to 4, and this represents y is equal to 4. And so one of the sides is x is equal to 4, the other side is y is equal to 4, and this side is y is equal to 0, and this side is x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, and y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. These are the equations of the square. But you have these things, no? X equal to 0, x equal to 4, y is equal to 0, and y is equal to 4. So these 4 equations are the equations of the square. Equations of the sides of the square. Clear? This is 40th. Try the 41st. You keep trying. 41st, no? Tell me. Find the value of A. K. If simple, no? So 3 plus K is it? So K is equal to 5. So you told something else is given. Okay. That you can find, no? So 3x minus 5y is equal to 8. So now you substitute other points and see, whichever satisfies, that will give you the answer. Because we know the equation, but this equation has infinite number of solutions. So from the graph, you can find whichever it is. I mean, from the values. So 42nd. So this 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 touches the coordinate axis. So when you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to how much? Y is equal to 4. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4, and you put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So 3 comma 0. When you join them, okay, you get a right angle triangle. You need to find the length of this hypotenuse. So this distance is 3, this distance is 4, and this distance will come out as 5. Because 3, 4, 5 are called as Pythagorean triplets. What are they called as? Pythagorean triplets. Means if the horizontal and vertical are 3 and 4, by default hypotenuse will be 5. It's very simple. It's not derived or something. It is root of 3 square plus 4 square. So root of 9 plus 16, which is root 25, which is 5. So it's easy to remember the numbers, 3, 4, 5. That is why they call them as Pythagorean triplets. Is it clear? So 5 units is the answer. Draw this graph and then copy it. Don't do it randomly. So when you're drawing a line, extend them on both the sides. Don't draw it like a line segment. Okay. Next. And that's fine. A coordinate axis also try to extend it. X is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2. So listen. X is equal to minus 3 is this line. X is equal to 2 is this line. So how much is this distance? 3. How much is this distance? 2 units. So what is the total distance? $44. Okay. A and B are friends. Let the age of A be X. Let the age of B be Y. So A is means equal to elder to B means Y plus how much? 5 years. Okay, what are we supposed to do? Okay, let the age of B's sister. B's sister is C Noda. CB Z. So Z is equal to Y by 2. You need another variable. Okay, did they give all the answer in terms of X and Y? Okay, then we'll do this. Then I'll go with ABC. They didn't use XYZ. No? They mentioned it. Okay. So A, B, C. Okay. Then age of A's father, that is D, is how much? So 48 is, so I'll come from the beginning. A is equal to B plus 5. C is equal to B by 2. Okay, then 48 is equal to 2B. Now you can solve it, it's easy. So 48 is equal to 2B plus 8, which implies 48 is equal to 2 into B plus 4, 24. So B will be equal to 20. B is 20. If B is 20, take and substitute it here. Then C will be 10. Say take the same B is equal to 20 and substitute it here. A is equal to 25. So these are the ages. This is 44th, right? Which implies X is equal to minus 3. Represents X is equal to minus 3 is a line parallel to Y axis. Minus 3 comma 0. That's all. What is this? Kx plus y. Okay. It passes through what? take and substitute it here. 3k plus 2 is 8, which implies 3k is equal to 6, which implies k is equal to, there is an option. So that is 46. Sixty percent of the votes are cast for so, actually, did you all read the question? So total number of voters are how many? So they gave it a total number of voters, let's say Y. Okay. Total number of voters who cast their vote 2,100. So 60%, 60% means 100 of 2,100 plus X is equal to Y. So how much is the answer? 21 into 6 is how much? 1260, no? So Y minus X is Y minus X is 1260. Right. They're asking equation or number? Number. Total number. I made a mistake. Wait. 60% of total voters. Yeah. So 60% of total voters is Y. Plus 2,100 people who vote will be equal to Y. Did you understand? 60% of total number of voters plus 2,100 is Y. So this and this will get cancelled. 3 by 5. So 3Y by 5 plus 2,100 is equal to Y, which implies 2,100 is equal to Y minus 3 by 5. How much is that? 2 by 5Y. Right. So 2 will cancel this. 1, 0, 50 times. So Y will be equal to 1050 into 5. How much is that? 5250. Yeah? No option. No, but what is the question? How many of them didn't vote is what they're asking. Total number of voters. Okay. Yeah, sorry. I didn't read it properly. 100. 60% of total voters is 2,100. That's it. This is the equation. I'm sorry. 60% of the total number of voters is 2,100. Cancel this and this. 3 times, 5 times. So this will go 700 times. So y will be equal to 3,500. Is there an option? That's the answer. Go to the next. 48. See, 3x minus of a minus 1 times y. So you need to find the value of a. So substitute it, no? Okay. First, when you substitute it here, you will get the value of a. Once you get the value of a, substitute it here, then you will get the value of b. Okay. So using 2, 3 in 1, what do I get? 6 minus of a minus 1 into 3 is equal to 2a minus 1. So 6 minus 3a plus 3 is equal to 2a minus 1. 6 plus 3 is 9, minus 1 comes this side, plus 1 is equal to 5a, which implies 5a is equal to 10 or a is equal to 2. So when a is equal to 2, using 2, 3 and a is equal to 2 into, what do we get? 10 plus 1 minus 4 into 3 is equal to 3b. Did you understand what I did? So in this equation, I substituted 2, 3 and a also. When I did this, 5 into 2 is 10 plus 1 minus 2 into a is 2. So 1 minus 4 into y is how much? 3 is equal to 3b. So 10 plus minus 9 is equal to 3b, which implies 1 is equal to 3b or b is equal to 1 by 3. Is there an option a is equal to 2 and b is 1 by 3? So they asked only for b. They would have not given you a because you will substitute and find it out. Clear? 49. 2 plus x is equal to 2 plus 2 root 3. So what are the equations? So in the place of x, you need to substitute. So in the place of x, you need to substitute this. Y is already 0. So 2 root 3 plus 2 into 3. This is not the solution. 3 root x. This answer. Because in the place of x, if you substitute 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 0, y is 0, no? So 2 root 3 plus 2 into root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 2 root 3 plus 6 will give you the necessary answer. That's it. Last problem. Fiftieth one. Tell me. X minus y is equal to 0. So x minus y is equal to 0. That is y is equal to x. No? X minus y is 0 means y is equal to x. So y is equal to x will be a line like this. This is y is equal to x. Now if you see this thing, x plus y is 0 means y is equal to minus x. So y is equal to minus x will be a line belonging to wherever y and x are having opposite sign. Where are they having? Second and the fourth quadrant. Y is equal to x. Observe, no? Y is equal to x means y and x both have same sign. Same sign is possible in first and third quadrant. And I told you in the previous class that any line without a constant added to it will always pass through origin. So it is passing. Okay. So this is y is equal to x and this is y is equal to minus x. Or to be more specific, this is x minus y is 0. This is, okay. Then you have a line x is equal to 2. So when you draw a line x is equal to 2, then this point becomes 2 comma 0. Okay. How much is this distance? This distance is 2. Okay. Now, if I know this point is 2, what will be the coordinates of this point? It will be 2 comma 2. Tell me how I found out. Because I took this 2, x is equal to 2 and substituted it here. It is a point on that line, no? Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to x are intersecting at a point. Means what will be the common point for both? X coordinate will be 2. If x coordinate is 2, what is the y coordinate? 2. So 2 comma 2. Then how much is this distance? 2 units. Similarly, what will be the coordinate of this point? 2 is the x coordinate. What will be the y coordinate? Very good. Minus 2. Then how much will this distance be? 2 units. If I take the triangle as O, A, and B, right? If I take the triangle OAB separately, so this is 4, this is 2. So half into base into height. Half into base is how much? Base is 4, height is 2. Cancel it. Answer is 4 square units. Is it clear? So there's actually a good problem. You have done these kind of problems, huh? No. So this will help you solve your textbook problems faster, right? Only difference is when we did it here, we didn't write all the detailed steps. Whereas when you write it for CBSE, you need to ensure that you write detailed steps. You don't miss that. Don't get confused between foundation and your CBSE. Both are important. Okay. So you can actually, after this problem, you can take break for 5 minutes. Then you can start taking up the test. It will not take 1.5 hours for you. It will be easy only. Done?